Hi guys, and welcome back. Nice to meet you again and hope you are all doing well. My name is Anas, and in today's video I want to show you how to access and get Microsoft Office product for free. Yeah, for free. You will not have to pay anything to Microsoft. This is legal and you will get access to all of the Microsoft products for free and legally. So without further ado, let's learn how to do that. Alright, so in order to access Microsoft products for free, you have two options: either to install it on your machine, and at that point Office will charge you for that, or for us the other route is to get it for free from the office.com. So in order to access Microsoft products for free, you will have to access its official website, which is office.com. So type in office.com in your browser, and at that point you will get this page. You can sign in with your account, with a Microsoft account. If you don't have that, you can create one very easily, and you have to click on sign in. For me, I will click sign in because I already have an account set up, and you can see that it led me to this page because I'm already signed in with my account. You can see if you don't have an account, you can create one very easily. For me, I'm already signed in, and once you sign in the Microsoft Office website, you will get this application. Here you can access all of the Microsoft products for free. Yes, for free. You will not have to pay any penny at all. So in order to launch or to start a new project, you have to go to this create a button, and here you will see that Microsoft Office will prompt you and ask you which kind or which type of projects or which type of product you want to create. We have Word, we have PowerPoint presentations, we have workbooks for Excel, we have forms, quizzes, and pages in Sway. So this is amazing. Now you can work on your projects for free. Let's say, for example, though, that I want to work with a document Word. I want to create a new one. It is just a matter of clicking the Word document right here, okay, and that will launch the Microsoft Office Word online. Again, this is very crucial. You will have to have an internet connection in order for that to work. So this is the kind of drawback that exists with this method. You need to have an internet connection in order to access the Microsoft Office products online, because all of those products are online. Okay, and now you can see that I have nearly the features that I can work with. For example, you can see that I can start typing in my text, for example. So this is a Microsoft Office tutorial on how to get Microsoft for free, and yes and we can see that we have the tabs that we can work with, and each tab has the kind of options or the ribbon attached to that tab. So here we have the options or the ribbon attached to the home tab, and so on and so forth. So nearly all the features that we have on the original Microsoft Office product, you will get them here as well. Now it is kind of limited, so you can see that we don't have all of those options that we get by installing the offline version, and that is why Microsoft Office then prompts you, you can see here, by Microsoft 365, and that is why they will get you and give you all of the features and all of the options once you buy the offline version. So this is the offline versions. If you want to upgrade to the premium versions, you can do that from here if you want to. And also I can rename this file from here as well if I want to. But as far as what you get here or the options that you get for free, they will be enough and more than enough, because all of the necessary options or of the principal or the crucial options are here available for you to work on for free. Okay, I will go back now and click on this button right here, and you can see that I have all of the other products that I can work on. Okay, I will go back here by clicking on this button to go back to the office.com product. This is the products that I got previously. I will click on home, and here I wanted to show you the recent projects that you just worked on. This is going to be listing all of the products, all of the projects that you have recently worked on, either for Excel, for Word. Since I just worked for Word, it's listing just the Word projects. If I was working on other projects, for example for Excel or presentations for PowerPoints, they are going to be listed here as well. So they are listed by the recent, so the most recent projects is going to be listed first. If I have pinned any projects, it will be listed here in the pinned section, and so on and so forth. So this is very simple to use, and again you have access. If you want to create an Excel workbook, you can click on the Excel application, and here you have the possibility to create a new blank workbook, or create some already made, or use some already made templates to help you save some time. This is also the case here for PowerPoint. For example, you can create a new blank presentation, and also for Word you can create a new blank Word. So each application that you click on, you will get that options to create either new blank workbook or use some already existing templates. Now this is not just the only way to access the products of Microsoft freely. If we minimize this, you also have by default on your Windows 10, you have this Office application installed, and once you launch that, you will see that it is giving me roughly the same application that I was getting online. But here the only difference is that it lists all of the projects that I was working on, either on the online version or also the projects available on my computer. So here you can see the projects that I have been working on my computer are listed here. But when I was working here in the online version in the browser, you can see that it lists only the projects that I have worked on online. So this is the difference, and this may or may not be what you want in your case. So you have those two options. For example, let's see, I will create a new blank Word document. Let's say that I'm working on this document. So this is a Microsoft Office tutorial, and let's say that I finished with working on my documents online, and then I want to download a copy from that online document and put it on my machine or my computer. So here's how to do it. This is very simple. It is just a matter of going to File and Save As, and then you have the option to download a copy to your computer. Okay? And also, so this is going to be very handy if you want to get a copy from that online version and work on it, for example, on your machine locally. And also, if you want to work on a document from your computer online, so this is the inverse or the reversed way. So it is just going to be a matter of going to, so I will go back all the way until I get to the home page. And here you can see this button, Upload. So this will let you upload any documents that you are currently working on from your computer. So let me show you how that works. I will click on Upload, and then you can see that it gives me the access to my Windows Explorer, and here I can select where my document, for example, is. I can, for example, enter this Office document. Let's see, I will try to look for something here. So for example, I will open this Word document, and let's wait until it gets loaded. Open, and now it's opening. upload into OneDrive, and the next thing we will see is the access to that document from the computer to the online version. Okay, let's wait for it for a second to launch. And here, that document that I was working on offline, so the document that was on my computer locally, here it is in the online version, and I can continue working on that online. So this is all there is to it for how to get Microsoft Office products for free. You have many other different products, like for example Skype, you have quiz, you have forms, for example creating quizzes, and you have Sway, you have many other, you have OneNote, you have PowerPoint, Excel, so you have a lot of products to choose from freely, so you have access to those for free. And if you want, for example, to access them online, you need to have an internet connection in order for this method to work. But if you want to access the products offline, at that point you need to buy the products, and Microsoft will then charge you for that. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I will answer all of those. Have a good time and see you in an upcoming tutorial.